Tehran, the bustling capital of Iran, is a city steeped in history, culture, and modernity. Situated at the foothills of the Alborz mountain range in the northern part of the country, Tehran serves as the political, economic, and cultural heart of Iran. With a population exceeding 10 million people, it is not only the largest city in Iran but also one of the most populous cities in Western Asia. History: Tehran's history dates back over 1,000 years, though it began to flourish significantly in the 13th century when it became a prominent village along the Silk Road trading route. However, it wasn't until the 18th century that Tehran rose to prominence when it was chosen as the capital of the Qajar dynasty. Since then, it has played a pivotal role in shaping Iran's modern history, from the Constitutional Revolution of 1906 to the Islamic Revolution of 1979. Culture and society: Tehran is a melting pot of cultures, reflecting Iran's diverse ethnic makeup. Persian, Azeri, Kurdish, and Armenian influences are prominent in the city's cultural tapestry. Despite the strict Islamic governance, Tehran boasts a vibrant cultural scene, with art galleries, theaters, and music venues scattered throughout the city. The Tehran Museum of Contemporary Art is renowned for its collection of modern Iranian art, including works by renowned artists such as Farhad Moshairi and Parvez Tanavali. Architecture: the cityscape of Tehran is a juxtaposition of ancient and modern architecture. Historic sites such as the Golestan Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcase the opulence of Iran's royal past, with its intricate tilework and lush gardens. In contrast, modern skyscrapers like the Milad Tower dominate the skyline, symbolizing Iran's aspirations for progress and development. Cuisine: Tehran offers a tantalizing array of culinary delights, ranging from traditional Persian dishes to international cuisines. Street food stalls offer kebabs, falafel, and samosas, while upscale restaurants serve gourmet Persian cuisine such as chalo kebab, grilled meat served with rice, and gourmet sabzi, a herb stew. Tea houses, or chai kane, are popular gathering spots where locals indulge in aromatic Persian tea and socialize. Parks and recreation: despite its urban sprawl, Tehran is blessed with numerous parks and green spaces where residents can escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The Jamshediyeh Park, nestled in the foothills of the Alborz mountains, offers breathtaking views of the city below. Millat Park, one of the largest in Tehran, is a favorite spot for picnics, jogging, and leisurely strolls. Challenges: like many megacities, Tehran grapples with various challenges, including traffic congestion, pollution, and urban sprawl. The city's rapid population growth has strained its infrastructure, leading to overcrowding and inadequate public services in some areas. Additionally, economic sanctions imposed on Iran have contributed to economic hardships for many residents.